Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by closing every file and app using the USB drive. Even background processes can hold a lock. Next, try the normal eject. System tray safely remove hardware on Windows or eject in Finder on macOS. If that fails, make sure you note the device name and file system type so you know what to target next. Once done, move quickly to identify lingering handles or open processes to free the drive without risking data corruption. You now locate and stop the process holding the drive. On Windows, check Task Manager or use Process Explorer to close handles. This releases the lock. On Mac OS, run discutl unmount disk/dev/diskn in terminal or force quit the offending app. This cleanly unmounts. On Linux, run lsoft/dev/sdx or umount l/mount/point to lazily unmount while avoiding I/O errors. Make sure to verify the device. You finish by confirming the drive disappeared from the system and then physically remove it. If unmount failed and the drive shows errors, run chkdsk on Windows or fsck on Unix to repair file system metadata. Only proceed if you're comfortable with potential changes. If data looks lost, stop using the drive and employ recovery tools or clone the image first. If problems persist, try another USB port or computer. And remember, a single troubleshooting tip is to always back up before repair to avoid permanent data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.